How to post Ghibli photo on Instagram. Start by opening Grok AI on your device. You can download it from Play Store or App Store. Tap on the plus icon at the left side of the type box. Click on Photos. Now select a picture from your gallery that you want to convert in Ghibli style. Tap on Add at the bottom right corner. Now type in "converted into Ghibli art." Then send it. Now it will convert your image into Ghibli style. This might take some time. Once the image is generated, tap on it. Then click on Save icon at the bottom. Next, go to Instagram. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom. Select the downloaded image. Then edit the picture as you like. Tap on Next once you're done. Now you can post your Ghibli style photo on Instagram. And that's it.